We've all been there. You crave a bold hair transformation, a splash of sunshine blonde, or a cool platinum shade. Bleach promises dramatic results, but often leaves behind damage. Hair feels dry, brittle, and lifeless, more akin to straw than silk. Bleach lifts the hair cuticle, stripping away its natural pigment. The good news is, you don't have to resign yourself to straw-like strands. Nature offers remedies to nourish and restore your bleach-damaged hair. Your kitchen pantry holds a treasure trove of hair-healing ingredients, each with unique properties to combat bleach damage. These natural powerhouses are gentle yet effective, providing deep nourishment without harsh chemicals. Coconut oil, a versatile superstar, is rich in lauric acid, which penetrates the hair shaft, repairing damage from within. Honey, a natural humectant, attracts and retains moisture, leaving hair soft and manageable. Avocado, brimming with healthy fats and vitamins, nourishes the scalp and strengthens hair follicles, promoting healthy hair growth. Olive oil, another kitchen staple, smooths the hair cuticles, adding shine and reducing frizz. These natural ingredients, readily available and budget-friendly, offer a holistic approach to hair care, addressing not just the symptoms, but also the root cause of bleach damage. Let's delve into how to incorporate these kitchen heroes into your hair care routine for maximum benefits. Coconut oil, with its rich fatty acid profile, is a godsend for bleach-damaged hair. Its ability to penetrate the hair shaft makes it an excellent deep conditioner, replenishing lost moisture and strengthening hair from the inside out. Warm up 2 to 3 tablespoons of organic coconut oil until it melts into a liquid. Gently massage the warm oil into your scalp and hair, ensuring you coat each strand from root to tip. Cover your hair with a shower cap and leave the treatment on for at least 30 minutes, or, even better, overnight for intense hydration. Rinse thoroughly with a gentle shampoo and conditioner. This weekly ritual will leave your hair feeling noticeably softer, smoother, and more manageable. Consistent use will help repair damage, prevent breakage, and restore your hair's natural shine and elasticity. Section 4. Apple cider vinegar rinse. Restoring pH. Balance for happy hair. Bleach can disrupt your hair's natural pH balance, leading to dryness, frizz, and dullness. Apple cider vinegar, or ACV, helps restore the pH level, sealing the hair cuticles for smoother, shinier hair. Mix 1/4 cup of ACV with 2 cups of water. After shampooing, pour this mixture over your hair, massage your scalp, and rinse with cool water. Use this rinse once or twice a week for softer, shinier, and more manageable hair. Section 5. Embrace the natural flow. Long-term hair wellness. Reviving bleach-damaged hair is not a one-time fix, but rather a journey of embracing natural hair care practices for long-term hair health. Incorporating natural remedies is just the first step. Opt for natural, sulfate-free shampoos and conditioners that are gentle on your hair. Avoid heat styling as much as possible, allowing your hair to air dry naturally. Protect your hair from the sun's harmful UV rays by wearing a hat or using a UV protectant spray. Nourish your body from within by eating a healthy diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and protein. Remember, healthy hair starts from within. By embracing a holistic approach to hair care, you can restore your hair's natural beauty, strength, and vitality, regaining the confidence that comes with healthy, flowing locks.